Welcome back to this series of medicinal plants that are used in the cosmetics industry for making the plant-based cosmetics. The next plant that we are studying is Lawsonia inermis. It's called henna or mehendi. So it's a very popular product in India. India is known for mehendi or henna, and this is mainly used for hair. This is mainly used for coloring the hair, also body art. And it's a very popular thing, especially during festivities, during wedding season. Both men and women go for mehendi, that is the body art, on the palms, on the body parts. Some designs are made, which is called mehendi. It's very, very popular in India. And this plant called henna is used for making the henna products. And here a paste is made from the fresh leaves of henna. And this paste is actually used for making drawing pictures, writing some symbols, or writing some scriptures on the palms, mainly on the palms of human beings. And this is very, very popular in India. And for this, henna is used. At the same time, the dried powder of the powder made from the dried leaves of henna is used for coloring the hair, for making the dye, which is actually coloring the hair, which gives reddish or pinkish color. Sometimes it will give you dark red color to the hair, which is actually very good for graying of the hair. So in order to prevent graying of the hair, in order to prevent the hair loss, in order to improve the hair growth, production of new follicles, this product, that is mehendi or henna, is very, very useful. So that is henna, also called Lawsonia inermis, is very useful for two main purposes. One is skin, the other one is hair. For skin, we are using this for writing the body art, for writing the drawings on the hair, mainly in the festivities, in the weddings periods in India. Also for coloring the hair, for dyeing the hair, the henna is used. Both dried leaves are used, and powder is made from that, and that is used for preparing the henna. Also the fresh leaves are taken, and nice paste is made from that, and that paste is used for preparing the products that are used for coloring the hair and also body art. So henna is a very popular plant that is used in the cosmetics industry in India and also in some other parts of the world.